everybody in YouTube world. My name's Miles and this is my channel. It's about motorcycles, but it's subject to change. So I wanted to update everybody. It's been a while since I've made my last video, months to be exact. I've gotten a little bit older, gotten a little bit wiser, and a lot of things have happened. I believe the last time I made a video I was chopping the frame on my 1982 Suzuki GS650 to turn it into a cafe racer. I bought that motorcycle for $200 without a title, thinking, I could get the title, sell it, make a profit. But I did not feel like going through that process of getting the title and having it all inspected and all of that. So what I did was I got it up and running, got it looking great, and I sold it for $1,000. So I put maybe $500, $600 into it. I made a little bit of profit, and that makes me happy. So it's okay. But anyways, I have a little video I'm gonna play here in a few minutes to show you the bike running and how it looked and everything when I finished it. I wish I took more pictures, I wish I took more videos. Video quality might not be that great, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is a short video, just kind of bringing you guys up to speed where I'm at. I've got a new bike in the garage, which I plan on showing you in the next couple videos, so if you stay tuned, like and subscribe, you'll be excited to see that. But anyways, yeah, here it is. Here's the videos that I have of my 1982 Suzuki GS650 Cafe Racer. You guys stay tuned. Later.